a science experiment with Skittles. Let's get started.
Oh, for real? You're doing an experiment?
Yes, you want to help?
Yeah, so I was going to ask you if you mind if I help. Cool. So let's go ahead and open these. I'll open them for you. So we're going to use safety scissors, but kids, still ask your parents or an adult if you need to use scissors or hot water, which we're going to be using because we don't want anyone to get hurt. So let's open these up. And, oops, dropped a couple. Don't worry about them. Let's pour some in here.
Don't pour too much.
So what are you going to do with them? Because I know I was supposed to pour them, so what are you going to do?
We're going to make a big circle.
Oh, okay. I think down here, right?
Yeah. So guys, we made the circle. Let's pour some hot water.
Okay, sure. You mind if I pour it? You want to pour it? Alright, so let's pour the water.
Wow.
Alright, looks like we got enough. Let's see what happens. Do you know what's going to happen? Because I don't have a clue. Oh, look at that. That's really cool.
Yeah, it is.
So what's your favorite color in there?
Yellow, because I like to eat the yellow Skittles.
She's like yellow. My favorite is the purple one.
Hey guys, comment down below if you like yellow Skittles.
I'm team purple, so comment down below if you're team purple. Wow, look, plate's almost full. And also, guys, like Elijah's Cool channel. Alright, so basically, as you guys can see, once we pour the hot water into the Skittles, it basically dissolved all of the Skittles into the plate, and you've got this rainbow of just different colors, and it looks really cool. It looks like a piece of art. What do you think?
It looks very good. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
This candy is sweet to eat because it's made with sugar.
Cool. So that's what it is. It's sugar, and then it's also color on here. And, you know, that's what happened with this first batch, and that's what's going to happen with this one. When you pour the hot water on the Skittles, it looks like it starts to turn into a rainbow because the color is dissolving, right? It's dissolving into the plate with that hot water. So we're going to do it this time with the wild berry flavor. So we'll see what kind of a rainbow we can get out of this, or the color pattern. We'll see what we can get. Let's pour some in here, and then we'll let you go ahead and start putting those in a circle. Alright, looks like we've got your circle made.
Now let's pour some hot water like we did with the other one.
Alright, let's do that. Okay, so let's see what happens.
Wow.
You see the colors, they're dissolving. And they're coming off.
Oop.
So it's of course much different because different colors. So which color pattern do you like better, Elijah? You like the wild berry or do you like the original?
Well, I like that a little, but I mean, like, look at this. This is so great. There's a lot of green, and look, it's amazing blue right here. It's totally very good.
That blue is very amazing. I personally like the original better because to me it looks like something tropical. I like the tropical colors. But that is amazing too. I do like those colors too. So...
And guys, comment down below which Skittle pattern you like. This one or this one?
Alright, so I guess now that we've got those two flavors done,
it's time to mix the
colors.
colors.
Alright, so we already got our bags open, so let's get a little bit of the original in here. And we got a little bit of the wild berry. Alright, so for this one, you said you also wanted to do something different, right? You want to put all the light colors together? Alright, so let's put all these reds together. Because both packages have red.
So guys, it's time to pour the hot water.
All right, let's see what happens this time, because this time we've got similar colors all by each other. Got all the greens together, the reds together, the purple, the blue, the pink, the orange. All right, let's watch.
Wow.
All right, they're starting to come out. Look at that, coming out the gates. Who's going to win the race? Which color's going to win the race?
Red.
Oh no, blue's winning right now.
Okay. No, yellow, let's go.
Purple, I think it's between blue and purple. What do you think? This one, man, this is really cool. And look, these two are like turning into something else now. But that's why science is so cool. This is so cool. Look at that, guys. Wow. Blue, I don't know. Now they're all kind of catching up to each other. Look at that. You got the red coming in. You got the purple, orange,
Now the yellow needs a little time to get in the middle circle right there.
There they go. There they go.
Oh, blue's coming back. Green is right by blue.
Uh-oh, here comes red. A little bit of the purple's getting into the orange.
Oh, let's see who can win this. Come on, green. Come on, green.
Come on, let's keep watching. Let's keep watching. There go the colors. There go the colors.
Purple's almost there. Blue's almost there. Three, two, one. Boom! Green one. Green one.
Oh, I call it a tie. It's a tie.
It's green. No, green. Swallow that little tiny spot. Green one.
Okay, we'll say green one. All right, so what do you think? Tell everybody what you think. What's different about this one?
We have yellow. We have light kind of orange. And then we have this purple. And then we have this red that looks like orange.
Oh, kind of reddish
And then we
orange.
have the lightest green. And then this perfect, beautiful blue. And then that little pink.
All right, so we're done. High five. This was really cool. So again, the overall thing that we did today, what I learned from doing this with Elijah today is Skittles are made with sugar. They have this nice color on them to make them look pretty. When you put hot water and you mix it with the Skittles, the colors dissolve and they all start coming off of the candy, and it just makes these beautiful looking designs. So this is a really cool experiment. And again, this is Elijah's Cool Channel. We'd like for y'all to subscribe, bell icon, thumbs up, comment down below. Let us know if y'all have done this before, if y'all are going to try this, if this was even cool, if there's any other experiments y'all want us to do on this channel. Let us know. What do you think, Elijah?
It's very great.